Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start current affairs capsule, daily current affairs, September, day 11. Recently, Konaks tribe were in the news. Konaks are the largest tribe of which state? हाल ही में कोनैक्स जनजाति समाचार में थे. कोनैक्स किस राज्य की सबसे बड़ी जनजाति है? आंसर इज नागालैंड. Konak Union has requested the Nagaland government to fix the boundary line between Mon district in Nagaland and Cheraidao district in Assam on Google Maps. Konaks live in Mon district, Nagaland and parts of Arunachal Pradesh, Tirap and Changlang district. Okay, and what is the meaning of Konak? It is man with black hair. Recently, IIT दिल्ली campus is inaugurated in which place? हाल ही में IIT दिल्ली किस जगह पर अपना नया कैंपस का उद्घाटन किया? आंसर इज अबू धाबी. IIT दिल्ली has opened its first international campus in Abu Dhabi and welcoming 52 students and launching partnership with leading universities to boost academic collaboration and research. This is the second international campus of IIT. Okay, it is the second international campus. At first, IIT Madras international campus started in Zanzibar. Okay, so IIT Delhi recently opened its new campus in Abu Dhabi, and previously IIT Madras opened their international campus in Zanzibar. As per the news, who has become the oldest Indian to swim across the English Channel alone? समाचार के अनुसार अकेले इंग्लिश चैनल में तैरने के लिए सबसे ओल्डेस्ट भारतीय कौन बन गए? द आंसर इज सिद्धार्थ अग्रवाल. सिद्धार्थ अग्रवाल, a 49-year-old swimmer from Bengaluru, has made history by becoming the oldest Indian to swim across the English Channel, and he successfully navigated 42-kilometer stretch in 15 hours and 6 minutes. Okay, so Siddharth Agarwal became the oldest Indian to swim across the English Channel alone. Recently, India signed a semiconductor agreement with which country? हाल ही में भारत ने किस देश के साथ सेमीकंडक्टर के ऊपर हस्ताक्षर किया है? नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज सिंगापुर. इंडिया एंड सिंगापुर हैव signed a MOU, that is Memorandum of Understanding on Semiconductor Ecosystem Partnership during PM Modi visit to Singapore, and this agreement will facilitate the entry of Singapore semiconductor companies into Indian market. Okay, so India partner with Singapore for the semiconductor agreement. Recently, President Draupadi Murmu has inaugurated Vishwa Shanti Buddha Vihar in which state? हाल ही में राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू ने विश्व शांति बुद्ध विहार का उद्घाटन किस जगह पर किया? आंसर इज महाराष्ट्र. प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मू इनागुरेटेड विश्व शांति बुद्ध विहार एट उदगीर in Maharashtra's Latur district on 4th September, and this Buddha Vihar has a 520 kg statue of Lord Buddha, and which is 10.5 feet tall. Okay, so President Draupadi Murmu has inaugurated Vishwa Shanti Buddha Vihar in Maharashtra. As per the information, which ministry recently won the National Award for E-Governance 2024 for पोषण ट्रैकर इनिशिएटिव? जानकारी के अनुसार किस मंत्रालय ने हाल ही में पोषण ट्रैकर पहल के लिए ई गवर्नेंस 2024 के लिए राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार जीता? नेम ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन and Child Development. Ministry of Women and Child Development won the National Award for E-Governance 2024, won gold for the Poshan Tracker initiative. The Poshan Tracker monitor the growth of children age 0 to 6 years using the real-time data and WHO, that is World Health Organization, growth chart to ensure proper nutrition. Okay, so name of the ministry is Ministry of Women and Child Development. Recently won the National Award for E-Governance 2024 for Poshan Tracker initiative. How many teachers selected for National Teachers Award 2024? राष्ट्रीय शिक्षक पुरस्कार 2024 के लिए कितना शिक्षकों का चयन किया गया? द आंसर इज 82. प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मू present National Teachers Award 2024 to 82 teachers, and President Draupadi Murmu conferred the National Teachers Award on 82 teachers in school and higher education category at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. Okay, so 82 teachers selected for National Teachers Award for this year. Recently, India and which country packed with submarine rescue operation? हाल ही में भारत और कौन सा देश पनडुब्बी बचाओ अभियान के लिए समझौता किया है? नेम ऑफ द कंट्रीज साउथ अफ्रीका. The Indian and South Africa navies formalized an agreement to improve submarine rescue support on 4th September and 2024, and this agreement is designed to ensure the safety of South African submarine crew in case of emergency and highlights the importance of cooperation between the two countries. Okay, so South Africa and India packed with submarine rescue operation. Recently, Rahul Dravid has become the head coach of which IPL team? हाल ही में राहुल द्रविड़ किस आईपीएल टीम के प्रमुख कोच बन गए? नेम ऑफ द आईपीएल टीम इज राजस्थान रॉयल्स. फॉर्मर टीम इंडिया हेड कोच राहुल द्रविड़ इज सेट टू रिटर्न टू राजस्थान रॉयल्स एज देयर हेड कोच फॉर द 2025 आईपीएल सेशन. Recently, who was named as India's first ambassador of International Table Tennis Federation Foundation, that is ITTF? हाल ही में किसे इंटरनेशनल टेबल टेनिस फेडरेशन में एम्बेसडर के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया? नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज शरद कमल. Indian table tennis player Sarath Kamal Achanta has been officially named as a Foundation Ambassador of the International Table Tennis Foundation, and he became the first Indian to be named as an ambassador of ITTF Foundation. Okay, so answer is Sarath Kamal. Now it's a quiz question. इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट सेक्शन में करना होगा. जिसका आंसर करेक्ट होगा उसको कमेंट को मैं हार्ट दे दूंगा. As per the information, what is the name of India's first space tourist? जानकारी के अनुसार भारत के पहले स्थान पर्यटक का नाम क्या है? स्पेस टूरिस्ट का नाम क्या है? These are the option: गोपीचंद थोटाकुरा, रेवंत रेड्डी, सुधांशु शेखर एंड तरुण कुमार सिंह. इसका जो आंसर है आप लोगों को कमेंट सेक्शन में करना होगा. जिसका आंसर करेक्ट होगा उसका आंसर को मैं एक हार्ट साइन दे दूंगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब साइंस एक्सप्रेस. थैंक यू.